Hi, I'm Steve with Pacific Exteriors, and I'm sure the idea of having a total stranger come into your home to discuss your exterior project with you is uncomfortable and awkward. But know that it's the best way for us to give you the most accurate answers to the questions you have about getting this estimate off the ground. And so today I'm going to talk about a couple of the most common questions that come up in that meeting. So the most common question we get asked is this estimate free? And yes, it is 100% free. And not only is it free, we're going to give you multiple solutions to your exterior issues, all of them at no cost to you whatsoever. Another common question we get is, why can't this estimate be done over the phone? It's really important that we come to the site and see what we're working with, where we're working with it. All those things will come into play when we have to give you a price. Another important factor is what's causing the issues that's making you want to replace these things. There might be an underlying issue that we can trace out and identify to also include in the price so that you're not caught with hidden costs. Another question we get a lot is, what will this cost? Your best source for that information is going to be your estimator, but the things that will determine that cost are going to be the size of the project, the services you're asking to be done, and what materials you want used in those services. Another common question is, what materials should I use? We offer all installations of all products, so it doesn't matter what you want, we can do it. But your estimator will give you the best options for your particular home with where you live and how the house is built. We do prefer to put up James Hardie fiber cement. It's fire resistant, it's dent resistant, it's kind of set it and forget it. You know, a lot of people ask for vinyl just because of the price point that it puts you in. But keep in mind, vinyl can be melted by your neighbor's window, let alone your barbecue being too close. So it is a great cheap product, but not a great long-term product. What if you don't know what you want? It's totally fine to be undecided on how you want to go about your exterior remodel project. Our estimator will provide lots of options for you, and James Hardie also offers multiple styles of cladding and colors. We also offer a design service so that you can take what decisions you've made and put them on your home so that you can see how that looks before they're actually implemented. Hopefully this answers most of your questions. Your estimator will be able to answer the other questions you may have, whether that's how much will this cost or when can we start. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.